show you how to earn free Bitcoin online with Coindice.win. Now, to get started, all you have to do is, first of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started now. All you have to do is create a new account, as you see here. After creating a new account, you register. Now, if you have an account, you can log in here. Now, let us see. After logging in, you will get 10 free coin from this website, which you can withdraw into your Bitcoin wallet instantly. Now, let us look at this. Let us look at this coin, as you can see here in this video. Now, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscription button and watch this video to the end. Now, this is my dashboard. After I have successfully logged in, I have given the sum of 10 coin to use to complete each task over here. Now, look at how the task is being done. If you want to complete a task or a survey, all you have to do is just go claim free facing here to earn your free coin. Now, here is how to earn free coin just for doing small tasks in this website. If you are new to this channel, now watch this video to the end. Please do not skip any part of this video. As you see in this video, we are going to earn free coin from Coindice.win. Do not forget to subscribe. Select your reward to earn now. Now, let us watch this video to the end. As you can see here, done, 2 PAL added to your account. 2 coin has been added to my account because come later to get your reward. Now, this is how this website works. This website is legit and profitable. If you haven't signed up with this website, then you are missing a lot of wallets. Now, let us check my wallet balance. As you see in this website, you could withdraw your money into your Bitcoin wallet, as you see in this website. Now, let us go and check how many coins have I earned. I have earned 2 coins from this website. Please, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscription button and thank me later. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.